Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope you're all doing really well. I'm really sorry that this is like coming up a lot later than what I actually anticipated it to be. So yeah, I just wasn't really very well, so I'm back and I'm finally filming my Ultimate Lights review. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing this palette, which retails for £10. And then this is what it looks like up close. Oh my god, this is going to be such a pretty, like, neutral, glam, like, Christmassy look that I'm going to do. I'm so excited. We're also going to test the highlighter palette in today's video as well, and that retails for £6. Yeah, there's obviously also the shimmer lip kits, which we'll try today. These retail for £6 each. And then we have the perfume. So this retails for £10, the same as like their normal price for their perfumes. This is going to sound like so like basic, but look how bougie this is. Like, you just go like this and it's there. Sorry, I just thought that was really bougie when it came. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm not even going to try and describe the smell to you. I'm going to put some on. It smells really, really nice. It smells like something that I would want to wear for like a night out, like, or even like for a nice meal. Like, that's kind of vibe, but it gives me like very like glam. Don't know what it's meant to smell like, but it smells really nice. So that is the perfume. Actually, I'll see if it says anything on the website. So yeah, obviously you all know by now I do have a discount code, Luce20. It's on the screen right now. It's always in my description. Gets you 20% off the UK, US and Australian website. Don't make any money from it. It just helps to save you some pennies / pounds. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start off. Oh my god, where is it? Oh, I forgot. I packed my bag of makeup to go to London, and I haven't actually unpacked it. Let me just go grab that bag. So this is what I had inside. So I was going for like a full face of Rev, because obviously I was going to work like in London with Rev. And this is what was in the second compartment. I absolutely love this case. I didn't think I'd like this. I got this like in a deal on TikTok, but I actually love it. And you know what? It's really, really good if you're traveling, like if you're on the train and you don't want things to be like rolling all over or moving all over the shop. This is really, really good. So yeah, I'll try and link on my TikTok shop if you want to go check it out. And if you buy it through my link on TikTok, thank you, because it helps me earn a little bit of money as well. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. This is where my eye base was. So I'm going to start off with this shade here, which is the shade Espresso, so that did funny. And I'm just taking a Revolution fluffy brush from last year's Christmas gift set, and I'm going to start by just kind of blending this right in my crease. Okay, that's really nice and easy to blend. Okay, so I've kind of blended that out to how it is so far. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M411 brush, and I'm going to use, I think, the shade Nude, which is this colour here. And I'm just going to basically use that shade just to blend out the edges of that espresso. And this collection is like kind of pink and girly and like, yeah, very, very like cute. It reminds me of like Mariah Carey, Ariana Grande with like the perfume, not the smell of it, just like the actual like packaging. Yeah, I just absolutely love the vibe of it. I just wish that maybe there was like a red sparkling, like a red shimmer lip kit. I know I probably wouldn't have gone with the packaging, but just like it was like really like Christmassy vibes. But then again, I probably wouldn't wear that out of the house, so I can't really win, can I? Because I don't think I'd wear like a shimmery red gloss to go out for Crimbo, because it'd just get in my hair, it'd go all over. So yeah, they've probably done it right, really, haven't they? I'll just shut up. So yeah, I'm just using that shade just to blend out them edges. So I'm going to put my shimmer on first before I do my outer corner with like a bit of depth, because I want to know how much depth I'm needing. You feel me, my brother? My brother. I'm going to go in with Out Out. Are you out out? Yeah, I'm out out. I have no like in between. I'm either, oh, that is beautiful. That feels like absolute butter. Wow, that is stunning. Oh my god. But yeah, there's no like in between with me. I'm either fully out on a night out and drinking, or I'm at home. There's no in between for me. It's literally like, can you see that? That is absolutely stunning. Fuck. I try not to swear on my channel, but I've got other words. I can't keep saying, oh my god. It'll wind somebody up. It also winds me up when I edit it back, but wow. Obviously I haven't applied it fully because I'm going to deepen up its outer corner and then we'll pop it on. And I might even go in with a little bit of Diva, which is like another like darker shimmery one to blend into that darker outer corner that we're going to put on. So the only really ones that I can, yeah, I think I'm going to go for Midnight first. And then we might go in with like a little bit of Statement for the outer corner. And I'm just going to take like an angled brush like this, which I love for like deepening up this outer corner. And I'm just going to pack that right on here. Oh my god, that undertone matches perfectly, just what I wanted. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with that first brush that we used and just the shade Espresso, if I can spit my words out, and just kind of blend the edge of that ever so lightly, just so it all blends in nicely. And then I'm going to go in with the nude shade and the Morphe brush that we used for that one and just use that to blend the edges with that one, just so that we've got it all blended beautifully together. Okay, obsessed, absolutely obsessed. I'm going to go in, like I said, with that Diva shade, which is like more of like a, do I want this? Yeah, I'm going to go with just a little bit of it, just to blend, just like a tiny bit, but like I probably won't even notice it that much, but like just to use another colour and to like blend it together. Oh my god, the shimmers. And then I want to go in with that Glitz shade because it has like a bit of that undertone of the out that I like that kind of burgundy pinky undertone. So I want to go in with that, and I'm going to use a Matrix XX Revolution brush, which is like a little pencil brush. Let me just put my finger in this. Oh, it's the same like beautiful formula as the other ones. It's probably just like a little bit more bitty. Well, I don't even think bitty is the right word, just because it's not like a colour, it's like really, really like light. I don't know if it makes any sense, but yeah, anyways, I'm going in with this, which is called Glitz. I'm going to pop this in my inner corner. Okie dokie, so that is my eyes done. I don't think I'm going to go in with one of the glitter eyeliners because I just don't feel like it's going to go with the look. I'm just enjoying the look that I've done too much, but I thought of a different way of doing it. Instead of doing it like an eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this one and use this to like intensify my inner corner. I feel like it would be just perfect for that because it has that same like undertone that I want. So yeah, I'm just going to basically put some of this. Oh my god, why does that look like... Wait a second. How have I managed to get that all over my nose? 1 minute. So yeah, let's go in with this eyeliner to really make that like intent in that inner corner. Just makes it pop that a little bit more. I'll pop some underneath my brow as well. And then what you could do if you wanted to, just go back in with that brush and just tap over it, because obviously the shadow will then stick to the wet eyeliner as well, so it'll just make it even more intense. Okay, so let me pop on my base makeup and we'll come back and we'll try the highlighter and we'll try the lip kits as well. Oh my god, I just applied the highlighter and it wasn't filming. Right, let's try and do this again. I am also doing a TikTok on this for work, so I think I'm just kind of like confusing myself. But yeah, taking obviously the highlighter palette, and I just took a I Heart Revolution brush and I've just gone in with the lightest one. Can you see the glow on my cheeks? This palette is stunning. It is like a little bit, I would say like a little bit powdery, but not at the same time. Like it's not one where it just melts into the skin, because it's not going to. Have you seen it? Like it is here to be star of the show. It is not here to like melt into the skin and not stand out. It is here and love and life. So yeah, that is the palette. I'm going to go in with a little bit, see if I can pick it up on this brush or not, of the gold one, just because I think people will be curious on that one. I don't even know if any of that's picked up because of the texture of it. Oh yeah, you can actually see. I don't know if it's going to come up on camera because I've put so much of the white one on, but it's like picked up a little bit of the, yeah, I can see it there, but I don't know if it's going to come up on camera or not. This might be one that might actually be better just using your finger for instead. I hope you can kind of see it a little bit, but I've put that much of that white one on. That one's like blinding. But yeah, it actually blends really nicely considering I've just powdered on my face as well. Therefore, yeah, you can definitely see it on my nose a lot better. Oh yeah, that is beautiful as well. Okay, yeah, stunning. Stunning with my lip glue gunning. Okay, what do we have left? Just literally just a lip contour kit? Okay. Okay then. So obviously we have two. We have, well, the shimmer lip kits now, they're not lip contour kits. We have the High Shine Gloss and Lip Liner in Chauffeur Light, and we also have one in Pink Nude. I'm going to do Pink Nude first because that's not the one that I want to keep on, because I know that I'll want to keep the browner one on because this is like a pink and it's not really going to go with my vibe. Let's pop this bad boy on because yeah, you can see it's like a bubblegummy pink. Which old Lucy would have loved. She would have been all over this. But I am more in my nudes nowadays. And because I see it is like a shimmery gloss that we're going to put on, I'm going to actually use this to fill in like my full lip and have this as my actual like lip colour itself. Oh my god, do you see how dry and chapped my lips are? I definitely need to use this, which I've got out for me to use after I finish filming. This is absolutely amazing. You get like flaky lips like this, honestly, you put it on and they're just gone. Like it's like they evaporated. It's wild. Absolutely wild. This is the Revolution AHA Exfoliator Serum. My whole 27 years, I feel like I came out of the room with chapped lips. And then I literally tried that and I was like, it's the first time in my life that they haven't been flaky like this. It just blew me away. But anyways, obviously I've got the full lip liner on. Let's go with the sparkly lip gloss and pop this right on the top. And then, oh, it is really, really pretty. I don't think it'd be one that I'd reach for that often just because of the colour of it. Do you know what? I actually don't mind the colour of it. I thought I would be like, absolutely no, I don't like it. But it's actually a lot nicer with the gloss all over. That is what that one looks like. Oh, my flaky lip looks so ugly. Okay, I couldn't wait till after my video. I've just used my AHA Exfoliator Serum from Rev. I'm sorry, but flake who? Where'd the flakes go? No flake here. Flake who? Gone. Honestly, I've never, ever been blown away by a lip product that gets rid of my dry, flaky skin on my lips because it normally just does not work. Gone. Gone. Where's the flakes gone? Oh, they're gone. 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 Yeah, if you have dry, flaky lips, I'm telling you now, that's the one for you. That is the one for you. Anyways, let's go on to the Chauffeur Nude one. As always, there's a makeup auction going on whilst I'm filming. I'm just going to try and sneakily look at that whilst I'm filming. But anyways, oh, I forgot to say as well, these are really, really creamy. I don't know if you can see when I'm applying them. Like, really creamy, easy to apply. Yeah, nothing really bad to say. Okay, so this is it applied. I have overlined a bit too much, but hey ho, what are you gonna do? Shoot me? I don't give a fuck. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in with the gloss that comes in the set, which is like a sparkly gloss. And let's see what this bad boy is like. So that is just what it looks like with all the gloss applied. What do you think? Do you prefer this one? Do you prefer the pink one? I definitely prefer this one. Look at this little spot that I'm getting. Is there any need? I did not give you permission to come on my face. Oh. Anyways. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let's do a quick little product roundup. By the way, if you wonder what blush I've got on, I've just tried, I've done a TikTok video on it as well, so it'll be coming soon on my TikTok, so make sure you go follow me on there. I'd really appreciate it. We're actually really close to 2,000 followers on there, which is really cool. But I've tried the Olivia liquid blusher from the Beauty Crop and her setting spray. So yeah, that is what's on my cheek. I literally have not even used a like powder blusher. I've literally just used that and I think it looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, let's just get into like a little kind of quick product roundup. The palette is stunning. The only thing that I'm going to say, and I'll show you what I mean, is you see like these two colours here, they don't like, it's more of like a little topper, like they don't have like a full swatch to them. So yeah, just bear that in mind that them two don't really have like a full, obviously we've used them in the corner, but you wouldn't be able to use it all over the lid. It would just be like something that you can pop on top, if that makes any sense. But these ones, oh my god, like this middle row, this one looks like a bit like a glitter. Oh yeah, it is. So Party is actually a party because it's like a little glitter. I'm going to swatch some of them on my hand, some of the shimmers, just so you can see what they look like. Like, honestly, oh, absolutely stunning. Beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. So yeah, the eyeshadow palette is absolutely stunning. The highlighter, blinding. Even the gold, like with it being like that putty formula, still absolutely stunning. Like you can still see the gold hinting through, even though I've put on so much of the really light one. Obviously, I've only used the glitter eyeliner like literally on my inner corner, so I'm not really gonna like say much. It was sparkly, it was pretty, did what I wanted it to do, but obviously I can't really comment on it being like an actual eyeliner because I just wouldn't have went with my look today, and I wasn't ruining it for nobody. Nobody. The shimmer lip kits, I would probably get my use out of the Shawfer Lights. Oh my god, I thought I was going to fling it out of my head then. The Shawfer Lights lip liner, I'd get my use out of that. I'd maybe, I don't know if like I'd get my use out of the gloss that much, to be honest with you, but I definitely would get more use out of it than I would the pink one. So yeah, that is that. Really nice formula. Yeah, looks really nice and juicy. Not really much more to say. I do feel like the shimmer bombs are a lot more sparkly than that. So if you want a shimmery lip gloss, but you don't want it to be like really, really intense like the shimmer bombs, but you still want to have like a really like juicy kind of like sparkly look to it, I'd really recommend them. So yeah, I would love to know what you think. I will eventually, thank you so much for commenting on my reveal video to let me know what on earth you wanted me to do with these bad boys, these four like individual palettes, and everyone said just to do a video on them, but they're actually more excited for these than they were for the big palette, which was really interesting, especially because I think it's the shimmers and more affordable. Yeah, I don't know, I just was quite intrigued by people being more excited about these ones. So I will definitely do a video on these. I will do a video where I test one eye with the green one eye with the nude one, and then in that video I will swatch these as well. Obviously I'll swatch these, but I'll swatch the other ones because you can't get a full eye look out of them. It might not be for a little while just because there's a lot of exciting stuff coming up and other videos that I've already promised I will do before that, but I will definitely 100% do this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go film some more videos now, and I'll hopefully see you in a new video tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.